Hey there, Twitter enthusiasts and future social media moguls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's of great interest: how to earn money from Twitter. Whether you're a savvy influencer, a budding entrepreneur, or just someone who loves tweeting, we've got some exciting strategies lined up for you. Let's jump right into it. The foundation of earning money on Twitter starts with building a robust profile. Optimize your bio to reflect your expertise, passions, and the value you provide. A professional profile picture and cover image can help establish your brand. Ensure your tweets showcase your knowledge, humor, or unique perspective. Consistency is key. Engage with your followers regularly, and remember, quality always triumphs over quantity. To monetize your Twitter presence, you'll need an engaged follower base. Focus on attracting genuine followers who resonate with your content. Participate in relevant conversations. Use hashtags effectively, and retweet insightful content. This not only showcases your expertise but also attracts like-minded followers. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money on Twitter. Promote products or services relevant to your niche using affiliate links. When your followers make a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Remember to maintain transparency and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Sponsored tweets are a fantastic way to monetize your influence. Brands pay you to share their messages with your followers. If you're an entrepreneur, Twitter can be a great platform to showcase and sell your products or services. Share success stories, updates, and engaging content related to what you offer. Utilize Twitter's pinned tweet feature to highlight your latest offerings or promotions. Leverage your expertise by creating and selling ebooks or online courses. Twitter can serve as a teaser platform where you share valuable insights and tidbits, driving your followers to your paid content. Build anticipation by tweeting about upcoming releases and providing a sneak peek into what your followers can expect. If your content adds value to your followers' lives, they might be willing to support you through crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or through direct donations. Express your gratitude and acknowledge your supporters by mentioning them in your tweets or offering exclusive perks. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to earn money from Twitter. Remember, building a monetizable presence takes time, dedication, and authenticity. If you found these strategies enlightening, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who could benefit. And of course, subscribe for more insights on maximizing your online potential. Thanks for watching, and until next time.